The ocean's crushing embrace reaches unfathomable depths. Deep Sea Super-Submarines owned by Tech Tycoons are changing everything. These incredible machines let a few brave souls explore places no human has ever seen. Think about Victor Vescovo and his limiting factor. This submersible made history. It reached the deepest points in all 5 oceans. That is a truly amazing feat. The Challenger Deep, for example, is almost 11,000 meters down. That is nearly 7 miles deep. The pressure there is over 1,000 bar. It is like having 50 jumbo jets stacked on your head. His dives began in 2019. He completed the 5 Deeps expedition. He explored the Java Trench, the Puerto Rico Trench, the South Sandwich Trench, and the Malloy Deep. Each dive was a massive undertaking. The limiting factor is built from pure titanium. Its sphere is 90 millimeters thick. It can carry 2 people. It has an endurance of 16 hours underwater. This sub cost about $48 million to build, and it takes millions more to operate. These are not just playthings, they are feats of modern engineering. They represent peak human ingenuity. The internal systems are redundant for safety. Power is supplied by massive lithium-ion battery banks. These provide hundreds of kilowatt-hours of energy. Another famous vehicle is James Cameron's Deep Sea Challenger. He plunged to the Challenger Deep in 2012. That was a solo dive. He spent 3 hours exploring the ocean floor. His sub was a one-man vessel. It was bright green. It measured nearly 7 meters long. It used a special syntactic foam for buoyancy. This foam was custom made. It had thousands of tiny glass bubbles. The camera systems were cutting edge. They could film in 3-dimensional Ultra HD. He collected several scientific samples. He found new species of sea cucumbers. The entire project was a 6-year endeavor. It cost tens of millions of dollars. The risks were very real. One small flaw could mean catastrophe. The entire design was revolutionary. It pushed boundaries. His team solved problems thought impossible. Other tech leaders also have significant interests. Ray Dalio, the hedge fund billionaire, has the MV Alucia. This ship is a support vessel. It carries 2 submersibles. One is a Triton 3300/3. It can dive to 3,300 feet or 1,000 meters. It takes 3 passengers. The other is a Triton 1,500/3. This one goes to 1,500 feet or 500 meters. Dalio uses his subs for scientific research. He funds expeditions for ocean health. He is very passionate about conservation. These submersibles are not toys. They are scientific instruments. They help us understand our planet better. They gather vital information. His philanthropic efforts are substantial. Eric Schmidt, the former Google CEO, has invested in ocean exploration. He acquired the Schmidt Ocean Institute. They operate the research vessel Falkor. This ship also carries a variety of underwater vehicles. While not all are super submersibles in the sense of manned deep-sea crafts, for Tycoons, it shows a pattern. The wealthy are funding ocean discovery. They are pushing technological boundaries. They are making new discoveries possible. This investment is crucial. It fills gaps left by government funding. Their data is often made publicly available for researchers worldwide. This fosters collaboration. Think about the materials used. They are not normal metals. They are advanced alloys. They are designed for extreme stress. Titanium alloys like Ti6L4V are common. Ceramics are also used. High-strength acrylic domes provide amazing views. These materials withstand thousands of pounds per square inch. Normal submarines cannot go this deep. They would implode. The engineering is truly mind-blowing. Each component is tested rigorously. Every weld is scrutinized. Life support systems are redundant. They provide breathable air for many days. Emergency systems are in place. These things are crucial when you are 7 miles down. The cold is extreme. The darkness is absolute. Temperatures can drop to 1 degree Celsius. The cost to operate these subs is immense. A single deep dive can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. This includes the support ship, the crew, the fuel, and the specialized equipment. Only a handful of individuals can afford this. Jeff Bezos, the Amazon founder, has his own endeavors. He funded Blue Origin for space, but he also has interests in deep-sea recovery. He has located and recovered Apollo rocket engines from the ocean floor. He used specialized remote-operated vehicles for this. While not manned submersibles in the traditional sense, his investment shows a trend. High-tech money is pushing exploration boundaries in every direction. It is a bold new frontier. The F1 engines were found at over 4,200 meters deep. This required precise navigation and robust robotics. The sheer engineering effort behind these craft is unbelievable. Each sub is custom built. It takes years to design and construct. Teams of engineers and scientists work together. They solve problems no one has ever faced before. The navigation systems must be precise, the lighting systems must penetrate pitch black water, the manipulator arms need delicate control, they can collect fragile samples. They can operate in cold, dark environments. The water temperature down deep can be near freezing. These subs must maintain a stable internal temperature. It is a harsh world down there. But these subs allow humans to safely observe it. They bring back amazing images. They reveal creatures never before seen. One such creature is the Mariana snailfish. It lives at 8,000 meters. It withstands immense pressure. These discoveries inform us about life's resilience. They expand our knowledge of biodiversity. The number of new species found each year is still in the hundreds. Scientists are always surprised. They are finding new things all the time. Many of these expeditions use ultra-high-definition cameras. They also use advanced sonar mapping. They create three-dimensional models of the seafloor. This data is invaluable for science. It helps us understand plate tectonics. It helps us study ocean currents. It helps us predict earthquakes. The amount of data collected from a single dive can be gigabytes. It takes teams of scientists to analyze this data. The future of oceanography relies on these tools. It relies on the vision of these wealthy individuals. They are enabling a new era of exploration. It is an exciting time for marine science. The deep ocean remains largely unexplored. We have mapped more of Mars than our own ocean floor. That is a startling fact. Only about 20% of the ocean floor has been properly mapped. There is still so much to discover. These deep-sea vehicles are our eyes and hands. They are our way to unlock the ocean's greatest secrets. The technology will only improve. Future subs might be even smaller. They might be more autonomous. They might reach even greater depths. The journey continues. The unknown awaits. This human endeavor is costing billions. It is worth every single dollar for knowledge.